Injection molding is a technology that involves a lot of capital investment, especially for tooling. Prototyping early allows you to get your idea from the screen, or your concept, your 3D concept, into a physical three-dimensional shape that you can touch and hold. The sooner you can do that, you will learn things and see things that were completely unexpected. And the faster that you can learn those, the faster that you can correct them. If you wait until the tools are built before discovering those, for lack of a better term, issues, the time and expense to correct them then is astronomical. So the faster you can prototype, the faster you can develop your design, the more efficient the entire project will be. One of the other really interesting things about 3D printing is the technology has evolved to where there are many different methods and many different materials. So you can, if say you're focusing on the precision, the physical dimensions, how accurate are they? Or maybe you're focusing on surface finish for form and shape and texture. You can use different printing technologies to create different prototypes. Third, the materials you're using, you can evaluate different kinds of materials. Perhaps not, an injection molded, glass reinforced, UV stabilized nylon, but you can get a nylon, you can get an ABS-like material, you can get a polypropylene-like material, and compare and evaluate faster than you could have done before. Another interesting aspect of 3D printing is it can be used as a communication tool. I'm sure you've had times where you're trying to explain something to someone and they just don't get it, or they're trying to explain something and you don't get it. And so you start to draw and you sketch something to try to convey that idea. If you can do that with a three-dimensional object, they say a picture's worth 1,000 words, a prototype's worth 1,000 pictures.